Um, Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It is Crystal here. I'm just here this afternoon because I wanted to do another code review. And on this code review, what we're going to do is we're going to find the percentile in a list. And percentile is one of the 5-number sum phrase for statistics. So you need to know how to calculate a percentile for statistical purposes. So I've got the formula here that I found off the internet for percentiles is n equals p over 100 times n. And I found a website that tells you a little bit about percentiles. In statistics, percentiles are used to understand and interpret data. The nth percentile of a set of data is the value at which n% of the data is below it. And then so what it does is it tells you how to calculate the percentile. And one thing that you need to know, the list has to be sorted, but it gives you the formula to calculate the percentile. So you can always look on that page, definition of a percentile in statistics and how to calculate it, and it will give you some information on exactly what a percentile is. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go forward with the code review. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to define the function called find percentile, and it's going to take numList as an input. N equals n numList, and then other list equals sorted numList, because you have to sort the list. And then what we wanted to do is we wanted to print the sorted list, and that's going to be other list. P equals int input, enter the percentile, and then so you're prompted to enter the percentile. N index equals p over 100 times n, and then you have to subtract 1. And the reason why is because the Python numbering system starts with 0. So that's why you have to subtract 1. N index equals round n index, so you need to round it to the nearest integer. N element equals other list in index, so that's going to tell you what the value is of that element. And then what the function will do is going to return in index and in element. So we've got a list here of 10 elements. So we do find percentile list, and we ask for 75%, and it gave us 6 with 430. So you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what the computer comes up with, because it wasn't a, it wasn't a, it wasn't a, it was actually a float, and then I had to round it. So it wasn't a straight number, but let's just try 10%, and it says 0, 50, and then let's try 90%, and it says 8550, and let's try 100%, and it's 9600. So that's how you actually find the percentile in a list. But the main thing you need to know is, number 1 is Python numbering system starts with 0, so you have to subtract 1 from the formula. And number 2, the list needs to be sorted. So that pretty much concludes this code review on how to find the percentile in a list of numbers. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And one thing I would like to say is I want to thank all of my subscribers for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me, and it gives me the incentive to keep on making videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.